I will not say I'm a gambler. If you call me a gambler, me and you will fight.
Of course,
I'm a data
not.
I'm a data analyst. I deal with markets. I deal with sporty bet markets.
Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Precious Choma. I'm a vlogger. To my returning subscribers, I really appreciate you all. So in this video, I'll be sharing tips or ideas on how to make money in 2024, which is now, and I'll be doing that with.
Onyema Izuchukwu became.
Let's dive right into this video really. First tip, monetize a YouTube channel. And how do you create a YouTube channel? Sign up with your Google account, that's your Gmail account, and get started. YouTube has 2.7 billion users who watch 1 billion hours of videos every single day. You can imagine. Building an audience big enough to profit from YouTube ads takes a lot of time. Wow, which is why it's better to find a more direct connection to revenue than to wait for ads to become viable. Whatever. Luckily, there are a ton of ways to make money on YouTube that go beyond paid ads. And you can't wait to hear, right? Of course, I'll spill the tea. Criteria for getting monetized on YouTube is having 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. It seems impossible, right? No, it's very much possible. Just create content that resonates with your target audience. You're not creating for everybody, but for your targeted audience. And be unique. There should be something you're known for, right? Yeah, on YouTube or anywhere, both offline and online. Like I talk very fast. I don't or didn't practice how to do it. It's just me naturally. And guess what? I complain bitterly because at some point when I'm talking, I won't even be hearing myself. It'll be so fast. But that's what makes me unique. I have people admiring the way I talk. Like they wish they could talk as fast as I can, as myself. But man,
Number one.
I'll be like, why are you admiring me talking so fast? I don't like it. But as I started admiring it, I was like, Choma, this is just you. Accept who you are, and this is me. So you'll find a few of us who talk like this, and that's just on period. I'm proud. So be different in your filming style, your font, your editing style, and all of that. Just be known for one thing. Do you understand? Then start by, okay, like I said, start by producing great content that resonates with your target audience. Is very, very necessary. Very, very, very important. As you grow your following, consider making more money selling paid subscriptions, producing merch to sell online, or doing paid sponsorships.
Second tip in making money this 2024 is es- the most important. Get a skill. Talent is not enough. Yeah. And talent cannot be enough at times, especially in this our country, Nigeria. So get a skill like tailoring, programming, catering services, coding, forex trading, crypto investment, or monetizing a YouTube, which she have said earlier. So in terms of tailoring, make sure you have a good mentor, someone who can direct you on how to do things, especially when you are confused. For me, I'm a forex trader, but forex you cannot learn it all. So we still need to set up a standard for ourselves. Then also have someone you look up to because mistakes are inevitable while trying to make money.
The third tip is betting. I know it's funny, but if you know how to book games,
Mm-hmm.
if you know how to book games, you understand that there is money online. Oh God, people are really missing. Oh,
Yes,
I
man.
used to miss. My brother refused to tell me or teach me how to do this. I pleaded, like, guy, show me the way now. What are you doing? He said,
Mm.
no, that if I learn it, I'm going to get addicted to it. I said,
Yeah.
because he told me things and people's experience, like
Yeah, yeah,
how
yeah.
some people kill themselves because of betting. I'm not advising you. I'm not advising you.
Voice.
Please, disclaimer, don't
Yeah.
go and kill yourself because of betting. No, don't do that. I
But
have sense. I didn't learn how to book. I don't even want to learn how to book. My cousin sent me code, like my a lot of them, even my friends send me code. Him too, he sends me code. But I use my head. I don't bet every time.
yeah,
And I use four platforms. I use Bet King,
M Sport
Bet Niger, M Sports,
and bet.
and Sporty Bet. I need this money from all angles, to be
yeah,
honest.
yeah,
Like
yeah.
one platform is not enough for me. That is how I love money. Yes, I love money. I don't care. You too, you love money. Who
Mm-hmm.
loves to be broke, for crying out loud? I can't even imagine staying away like I don't have money. It drives me crazy. Like I start seeing myself like I'm not a human being. So
Okay.
if you're on this earth, you should make money.
More
I'm tired
money.
of admiring people making money.
Make more money.
I need to make more money, more money,
Because it stops nonsense.
because it stops nonsense. I swear. When you have money, you have respect, and that's on period. He knows now.
Yes, now. I'm going to throw more light on the betting aspect. In our adage, Igbo adage, that's na agadi one, ada akanka na-egwu ọma agba. So
Exactly.
I no fit tire for something wey as I begin. You understand? I will not say I'm a gambler. Or if you call me a gambler, me and you will fight.
Of course,
I'm a data
not.
I'm a data analyst. I deal with markets. I deal with sporty bet markets. So I'm good in marketing, sporty bet products, you know, choosing the right option for the right game. That's another way of making money through betting. And don't be greedy. You cannot be using 100 naira to find 10 million
Honestly.
in sporty bet. You can just go for the small odd and play your game.
Uh-huh.
Mhm. Then some of them say some of them, even though you don't want to bet, some of them are doing referral bonuses. Like when you refer their platform to some other gamblers and they got registered, they will pay you for it.
That's kind of affiliate marketing.
Yes, in betting.
Yeah.
And some of the betting sites, they make use of cryptos for betting. One is bet to make use of dollar in betting. So something like that you can actually compound, but it's risky. As they say, who no get mind no fit stay o,
At all.
because you don't win always. Yeah, me at least while growing up, I made a decision that I'm not always afraid of losing. I will lose and I will gain. So that's the big part of it when it comes to betting.
I agree.
Get mind. The fourth tip here on making money this year for me is monetizing your talent. Yeah, that's a very big thing. Talent is something like what you are good in doing. Yeah, what you are good at. For me, I do play football, I do play basketball, I play volleyball, and I have passion for it all. Just that the main thing there is that there is no opportunity, something like that. But monetizing your talent means you can make money out of it. Example, if you are a basketballer or a footballer or a cook, you know how to cook. Actually, from that cooking, you can make a lot of money. It's just to create a brand for yourself. And one thing I'm supposed to say earlier is that anything you are doing in this life, in search of money or anything concerning life, put God first, because He's the author and finisher of our faith.
Sure.
Without Him, he who builds a city builds in vain. So in anything I'm doing, I put God first. Let
Our
him,
sure bet.
yeah, let Him take the lead. So monetizing your talent, if you are a cook, you can actually make a lot of money. What's there just to create your own brand, let people know about your business, what you do, let them know what you are special in doing. Then if you are playing a football, try and register yourself in a local team.
The fifth tip is cleaning services, which is one of the best,
Self-paying job in Nigeria, as far as I'm concerned.
and that's on
Low key,
period.
low key. They are making money low key. I schooled in Bayelsa Federal University Otuoke, Bayelsa. People like unlike more like students, they are more self-employed over there, and most of their job is catering and home cleaning services. In our generation now, especially all those people working white collar jobs, it's none of them that have the time to get a maid for themselves or clean their house. So there's a lot of home cleaning services in Bayelsa. So they are making money. Imagine where I have a friend that almost clean up to 9 houses a day. That's a rich man.
9 houses.
9 houses a day.
That requires a lot of
That
strength, man.
yes now, and he's used to it. So he has team. At times he cannot even go to work. We send his team to go and do the work. Then it pays. Low
It
key,
does,
it pays.
to be
I
honest.
know someone that he started with just cleaning apartment for
Mm.
his fellow students. From there, he has a team. He has a team. As I'm speaking to you now, he has a team in Bayelsa that anytime he call them, they have Vinigua branch, they have Utweke branch, they have Amasoma branch. All those branches are there are schools and houses over there, and people are really patronizing them so well. Just give yourself a time because nothing good comes easy.
Mm-mm.
Just give yourself a time. Even car wash business is very sweet.
Car wash business.
Car
Yeah.
wash business is
Yeah,
very
car wash
cool,
business.
especially those that have the money. You can just buy a land for yourself.
Yeah, buy land for yourself, or you can
Just
secure
yes,
maybe a small space for yourself. You just have to be paying the
yes,
rent. When you
yes.
think like you've made it enough, you
Because
can.
where I am in Bayelsa, the least price for washing car, only the outside is 1.5. Only the outside is 1.5. So inside and outside, they will take like up to 4.5.
4,500 naira
You
to
see, for
wash a
one car,
car.
and people are paying it. So it's not
Exactly. The sixth tip is transportation business. To be honest, you mustn't be the driver. You can find someone to drive for you.
mm-hmm.
There is tricycle, there is bus, there is car. You can even use it as a taxi. Do you
Mm-hmm.
understand?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I've experienced it. I did tricycle business, transportation business. It was
Amazing.
perfect. I want to use the word perfect seriously because I involved God in it.
Everything went
Every
well.
week, I made sure I paid God my tithe. I didn't owe Him for once.
Wow.
There will be a week I'll forget. Then I have to pay it
Paid.
the upper week. Do you understand? That's the upper week one and the one I didn't pay. Do you get? So I kept doing it. It was meant to be 2 years, but because of God, because God was involved, it
Yeah.
lasted just 1 year and it wasn't even up to half year. And the driver was a God sent to me. He was a young guy, but he was so respectful. He knew what he came for. He didn't come to play. Okay, I gave him a target, a particular amount to be paying me every week. But guess what? After some months, he was paying twice of what I gave him as a target, to be honest.
Wow,
Like,
wow, wow, wow,
it was
wow.
so interesting. He did that.
That's
He
that's
did that work
that's
as if
that's a
the
hustler.
tricycle was his own already.
That's a
He was
hustler.
so careful about it. So careful about it, to be honest. So that's a business you want to do. But make it on
I
higher purchase.
swear, I
You can
swear.
buy more than one. I told people, I told my friends, my family, they all turned deep down the idea. They said, Choma, I cannot do it. It's a business for men. You can't do it. I said, see, to me, there is no business for a particular gender.
Mm-hmm.
If you have the zeal, if you have the mind
The
to
passion.
do it, the passion, man, do it. Oh, I said, God, for this thing you guys told me, I will do this transition business. I'll do it to the end. Let me see what people are complaining about. People told me that it's not easy. Chome cannot deal. That when they were doing their own, it ended. Even sometimes they had accidents with the whatever they were using, it scattered. I said, Thor, I said, I'm going to involve God in. In fact, God is going to be my driver.
Yes.
I involved God in it. It was a smooth business, and I'm still going to venture into it because I love it. Seriously.
In conclusion, why choosing something to do for yourself? Don't allow procrastination to take over. Because I have this my guy while I was in my uni days. He always say I will do this, I will do that. For most, he haven't even taken a step in what he wants to do. So a very good step in money making is that take a very first bold step.
And that brings us to the end of this video, loves. I hope you find it interesting and valuable. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share.
Share.
Thank you, Chibike, for gracing my channel.
Thank you, man.
And I can't wait to have you again. Thank you all for watching and see you in the next one.
Mm. And another thing is, mm, in terms of tips, mommy, cut.